Patraka 19 minutes now about 4. Utie Ofie Kwanso Adom 106.3 FM. That's right. For today, Friday, the 15th of November, 2019. Mema, good afternoon. Mesama Akwaba Kesepa to your own show, Ofie Kwanso. With me, Jerry. Said the only dadano wouldn't even so I make catch you. Jumedi, yeah, qua just a nonsiamo. Nonsiamo, I tell you, sir. What I say? Yeah, Baba. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Why shall me and you know if you say? Last week, you should be a crowd you made you so. I Monday and Friday. PhD. Put him down. Send on my Ekuyan or Memo. You can't want some. You should have said the amount for Bino. It's me brainy Pabino. Instead, some bebo. No, my mom says if I'm a brabo. Now you and said this week you better shut the other way around. Almost what it me buan for momutimi jina ye, it me di wa brabo. Sometimes one kasa out there on the crown, wouldn't realize it's a potential be woman. Wouldn't who say, oh, someone the way I bet me, yes, I did. Or beat me jina channel who's I did womb. Now I wow, said the bay also bet me a 2 pounds at the time. And also, I shall say week Monday. It's Monday, me come there. And then here twaso. Me baby, I want to see for you to call me. Why show us it's them shabrabon? Papa be a mammy be a branch be a by wabi. And you no nanka ushia no one. Nanka okra wouldn't him say a dear be and cow bet me a year. Nance was shown crying. On my wakwanche. And Pedu abuse or there be a ready meeting or catch us. Oh, bet me I keep on keeping on. Just give it a try, baby. And power and a fire and a knee. I bought more bedroom baby a wedding. A person on the chest as seminal. It's polish on a and crocroa come on. Said the ending baby. Aha. Nanny and chest as seminal. When you park on a saw bonny ding crowd bonny ding. The paya dia say ye na enfanda na say, you know what I'm saying? 0302 216 561 and I say 0302 216 562. Waiting numbers na did you medino e to betimi afra basisia na yet you. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pacho, your friend saying
your friend is
Sandra has everything.
Mamplubi
Sandra do ask me Pacho, why na oboa o man nanka bibi kro wani na ono na da romanti etimi boa ma du sam pempen so.
Your friend no Afrida Ava. Our Palladium. Meaning so tie aba obi tie obeka chwe. Amafo be so friend abun. Na me sia it's 3 years. For 2 years na me hu no so well. Enti your shame Christ me ko sua ade pam na e bia na ade pam no be dia boa me. Eno kure me sha se me kono boa me ha amanya me adomene ade pam no na me die ni bibia.
Wow.
Me be me shop with ade pam. Enti Afrida Abui Ava who Palladium ewo atayo wo fie mo upamade wo fie mo wote menka wa princess Mabna and Sandra me da sinyame shirawo.
Amen.
Wani misika like me wi eduma no kra no. Wani misika no ana ochre ne eduma no. Wani misika me wi no kra po no. Like still on me wo ho te se onua ni oba me ti bibia na me kono wa oboa me.
That's nice. That's nice. She's one of a kind. Yeah, that's a power for sharing this story with us. Ubi a no ye na adwin so kusuetri na all struggle ontimi hunu so yi no bi nso gina nche no ka chen se be ya se de we hu so ya de pam mo betimi aboa wo ti ma me nkyere wo no afa no catch na de pam. Ameni ono e de born bro no so abe master e be in the shop. Wow. That's nice. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patrick, your friend saying.
But the Fred, the castle Titama.
Fred Akwaba Patrick, you tell us story no.
Meso my man be offer JK Mesa. I'm not Obu me pa ta me si adwuma na nda finya asa. I'm not papa we na wabu me kompa ma nda metuma ya mutumu koba. Na nda ma wale ma fisia mutumu ubu kwa left and right ya me bibia ya collect.
Okay.
Ni mkata ya mission pa.
Amen. 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 Yeah, that's it. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Patrick Frost saying.
But say family Ruth Okwadjumai.
Ruth yet you.
But so madam Mrs. Samoa Seta. Esan se wa sheme ama mesi ejuma. I can't be too much na ma form ne ho. Any new crew Mr. Amwa. I miss you mu bebre.
You. Yeah, that's why.
Bye.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
The Patrick Frost, my dear.
I'm Victoria.
Victoria Akwaba Intiwe.
Papa B, your friend Mr. Fabnayo Kuloko. Or a copon. Time I really school now, me page you mana, ubia experience. Now then, Papa way fan when they dream. Just a fan to send it back. The way Papa way encouraging my later me for further my education. Daddy, baby, I will be an uncle shall be brave. Sisi our copon cracker. Nana, why am I ministry? Ever my dream minister since Papa Nayo Kuluku. Uncle shall not so condemn.
Amen. Amen. Ni kofo be boa masa bua wonfa wachinka fo mo aboa omo adwuma no nye da so adwuma nka betimi aye just why ya ronza sa directors na mo yesa de omo yusu omo position de am I be bro masa what is obe or you competent and ko ba ne betimi aye adwuma no. But man, is so person winning to obey young for you money man. Say, and also a cassin you. Some few ones spend a genuinely on one team go, oh no, you deserve to be no wow. Oh, because I know cover Biana 1 years of experience. You can one opportunity now, my better head man when you experience no. I say more. Hello,
Brother.
Good afternoon.
Hey, you can answer that kasa.
Omo platu mu ansa me ka sent no mo fa mai nti e ba na bai. Hi.
Yo, your friend is Vero.
Vero kasa me ko.
Kasa. Mi krom de di obi ani ma ya adwoa.
You.
Me won fa mi ko sun adwuma no. Na me se me mpa de pam. Me wo fa ya wa samwa wala te asamwa de fofie. Ono no si mi nko sua. Na de me be call police. Eno no de convince me na me de sua de pam. Enne ye master mi kuta apprentice mi ye mi amedwuma na mi hira wo fa ya bebre wo fa yo nya mi hira wo woni wo ka Jennifer onya mi hira wo ne pa amen bye bye
amen bye bye those yen fa ba ku bi nkan ne fa nya na let me check here di e che pamphlet ji ai ni na say ko for last one hello yes good afternoon yeah bro say
yes, I'm mommy.
Mommy, Akwaba. You, we.
Madam, Mr. Pastor, we will school not change you. Catch me say, Abby, over to me, Juma. If you can't question, then I'm do not see Juma. I still baby or
Amen. Amen. Yeah, that's a pa. You ain't me for free, baby. But me name say more realize here, there, Miss more realize here. I say a man show appreciation chair memo. There are course nearby. I don't just a member microphone you be more. Oh, more come on, say boy, bono. Yeah, trust some queen. Yeah, fast like a semi guarantee trust bank, Ghana Limited, GT Bank. GT Bank say nee omo akwenya ama also wetimi abobesia wa Brownco Banking Hall. And if a quick credit, so you're a salaried customer of Guaranteed Trust Bank and Kwadi out them. With me, I borrow up to 100% of your monthly salary instantly at only 2% interest rate for 30 days. You phone a Kenebo star 737 star 0 hash. Now I select payday credit. Then you agree to the terms and conditions. Why and Tanawa confirming Upino with them. The requested amount to be credited to your GT Bank account instantly. Quick credit, instant cash, anytime, anywhere. We are Chimwe Kwechia Fre 0302-611-560 and our toll free 0800-124-000. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Ochre ewo agunankum osi Jerry Boame na fa seda kese pama Haji Afati of MPP nyame wo hia ma me pa ma me pa ochre nunu ti da 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 Usutie 106.3 Adom FM yenu abema King Lagazi ewo hit 103.9 FM na entemu hobi na obehwere ne papa ayi no akoswe wie King Lagazi se me fast da kese e magana fo nyina ne titru mo amote yesa de ato nani na mo beja no e ma the final funeral rites of the late father itimi ekoso on the 2nd of November 2019 odamu nyina say for your support mo amode cash buy so am be supporting in kind so am dem pai bote achiri mu nyina nyame hira mu nyina na mu a mo san abode ni nyama ne de se mo amunim se mo yana mo prapra achiri King Lagazi da 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 Mefa enche mu ohwam Emma Mama Mary Ganza. Yes. What a fantastic woman. Good afternoon going out to you. I believe say bibia you cool. Me da wase pa nyami sha pa. Sama mi we. Enye nzi o. O de aye kwa. Mama Mary Ganza. God bless you. Martin Kabruta, Ujumadi no Sumeba Bipa ICGC Calvary Temple, and Mama Mary Ganza Akabum at the more than a song, bro. A theme there that's not say great God. Where you made a Kessia Pa, a Basunyame Admon the 8th of December 2019. Or ICGC Calvary Temple on the Spinkters Road, 5 p.m. sharp. Nasha say. And I'm to 4 baby, so baby. Mommy Justine, some mommy me feeling pa. Pastor Edwin Datson, so age no be SP Kofi Sapon, Kelly Darko. And I'm to 4 p.m. and so and a bass Jumedi ABA. It won't so ya baby, na inshia. Why? Now be inshira. I said my rhyme you. Yeah, baby, na inshia. Now be inshira. 5 more minutes to 4 on 106.3 Adom FM. MTN Sammy Mokas, yes, say there. Watumunchine, Muay at the mall. And they say you use MTN Mumbo. Now they talk credit at the man. Unya 200% bonus. Yes. 200% bonus. So just top up your credit and get 3 times what you paid for. Dial star 170 hash. Now I select option 7 to register for the 200% bonus offer. Chatum says, it is that simple, easy, and convenient. Just Momo it. We did for you everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Now talking about MTN, and they say also bet me I enjoy amazing hot deals just by owning an MTN smart feature phone. MTN smart feature phone, one with me I enjoy 500 MB free data every month for 6 solid months only on MTN. Bet me I experience a cool smartphone that has WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Google Maps, front camera, so you can capture all your special moments, all the memory that you need to store your data, and other amazing features just for 150 cedis. Wow, that's a smartphone at a smart price, Joe. So go get yourself the MTN smartphone from MTN shops and other retail outlets and browse like never before with 500 MB data free for 6 months only on MTN. We did for you everywhere you go. Senyami Adumwa on Friday the 29th of November. 3 bebo say ya beshe dwumedie Ofie Kwanso ase no. Na ye gina bonten ne de brewo. Esa said you Ofie Kwanso pork party e gbawuram. Tin. Our pork office, Spintex Road, 18 Junction. E wo beye dese. It mean you fashion calendar no so why. Ne dru amienhia no miensa pepepe ne ahyase. Etatamu a kopim se no sia bebo. Ewie pe ni akofa news ni ade ane asamba ni de feda moso so atoa so ho de ama o. Sa kopma na dwedwe. It is a date so Friday the 29th of November 2019. Pork office, Spintex Road, 18 Junction. Very procurai. Very no feeling. Shouts going out to Nana Bedi there. A beautiful comment, yeah, Mary. And I feel Papa Bills. And to you, Kwesi P. And now on you to new Kwesi P or production team no. Edric Limited. Say young can't check Ghana phone na say o mama official pa. Bronyo no abawie anisa. Obekata wani ati obi nwansi edi Christmas. Na de nhwe na moabo aho. Afebon sa manfo abesra na fridge ensu o mu nchele na nina ese hihihih. Waso be ye hyedre. Enuti ena Edric Limited some can show say a ban home appliances there. Obia nim say yen number 1, no size. Because yen your product no. And ne papa, e chen babia there. What I say, ope a Whirlpool appliances, home appliances, papa ya. Yeah, China Benyano. Yeah, air conditioners, refrigerators, deep freezers, cookers, microwave ovens, Candy, Talking Bianca, and Grandovita washing machines. Nina, Yenya de Brewo, Fade dryers, Felix 4K smart LED TVs, NHS appliances bebre. Na Nina ni chop promo de atoso. It's a Christmas year benti atete kama pa. This is certainly the right time for you to get yours. And try na later wakotona board in minua. Enti all our showrooms across the country. Bowdam now so kwajo there. Yeah, showroom ni be a number boss way. Upie mo la. Yeah, la General Hospital bus stop ni din hwe animo. Achimota yeah, ABC Junction din hwe animo. Spintex Road your Bachuna. Yeah, ben American Washing Bay. Upiem Kumasi yeah, ben Capital Radio. Ahojo Roundabout, Takrady or Market Circle, Tamale or Waterworks Road, Chogu. So for other outlets, enquiries biano, one Edric Ghana Limited, ending kita home. 0302 778 126. Samsung bit me at 127 and now 128. And our phrase 0243 690 034. Edric Ghana Limited. No size. Buy quality and save more. Chanasi. Ready and your muntie na muntie the more you're dead Frightor is on a search. Yeah, nay, you should share great talent in cooking. Yes, oh, one you were doing one son of Bopano. Now, where the Asian nan say, bet me amount there, Swan Bemu. Frightor Enriching Lives competition. And no any the biggest TV reality cooking show. Yes. Now the winner of this exciting TV show here in Debrewi, a life-changing award of 100,000 Ghana cedis. And a business investment. Yes, 100,000 Ghana cedis. So make a date with us on every Saturday from the 16th of November. Watching it. 7 p.m. only on Joy Prime. Honey, I bet you said the Bessia Quafa. Near who the Obabenia says he can put Edia Cobon Brown. Frightor Enriching Lives is brought to you by Frightor. Frightor Enriching Lives, unearthing talent, fulfilling dreams. Happy birthday in advance and come Abigail family of Tema Community 2A Lang Family House. Also, so Assemblies of God Church Community 2 Resurrection Power. May the God Almighty richly bless you and pour his blessings on you. Yeah, because I don't know. Blessing and blessing and also enjoy yourself. We all love you so much, Abby. This one's coming from Uncle Sam of Escas Tema Community 2. And your mom and your brothers and your sisters and your loved ones. Omina, wishing you a happy birthday. I did not tell fast. Hey. Oh, wow, more crab. Evelino, Ewaye France. I say Jerry, wish you Kwame Obade a happy birthday for me. Like I say, Nyami Unshano. Na happy birthday, so I'm come out, Mami Dakwa of Strasbourg. She's a big fan of Ofie Kwanso. And wishing away happy birthday now. Or send any pass on your body, share the same day. And she be a barber shop somewhere due to for an area. Can I say she be as Wednesday and right twice, and then I had the concluding partner. wow, yeah, mommy. Nana Quenta Bisa say, happy birthday in Koma Abigail Jima of our sing Amwabing. Nebin soon come out Kwame Oba there. Please wish my friend a happy birthday for me. His name is Bernard Osei, aka Oh Boy of Kaneshi, from Ernest and Esther and Kate. Going out to you. May the good Lord continue to shower his blessings upon your life. Much love going out to you, Bernard Osei. Jerry, tomorrow is my son's birthday. He's Jason, Patrick, Nana, Kweku, Esiedu, Fianco, Esiedu. Wow. I want to wish him a happy birthday in advance. May God continue to bless him as he celebrates his 3rd birthday with all the good things in life. May God order his steps into greatness. We love him so much from the entire family. With Kofi Same, Asiedu, Nenchen, or the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1 English Assembly. And the banner guide red. Or she should also say no about Mazeja. Shouts going out to you, Alfred. Daewoo Designs. Opamo atade na show na atade ni dinkomo. Mrs. say yatete so na yatete so brutal. Ideal milk. Ghana's favorite milk. Say kuma no enye 4 cedis biem 3 cedis. Ena kasepa no so enye 8 cedis biem. Say 7 cedis. Enti tobi. Na fa twa uti. O beverage no, o porridge no. Cereals now woody no. Impo Gary Soakins no. Ma ideal milk intimi no. Nenye pika, nemfa taste. Ideal milk. Ghana's favorite milk. Senya adum akwase de ye di animu. The 17th November. Ye the edidie with Pokua 101 air bro. Jehovah is my friend. Wo apenkwa. Ano pattern na sha se kopim so bebre no akofie. Hosted by Pokua Wendy and OPD. Sponsors no air Perfect Touch Restaurant or Jolly Junction and Melina Children's Heaven. And our Organic Hills Clinic or my organic green food supplements. About your restaurant bar now say sports be now joint be now per se a day jumediri ebawa for edidie team no on 0544 113131 na yenin komo. This event is powered by Pokua 101 Concept and Adom FM. Easy. But before we do that, Debiaya na me kasa di but and the mamin fan nom film to from Bokona, Menchichi Muncho ye. He, na ebu eni egu adi bi so. One techno mobile for phone from no de abano. Masa professional photographers okru mu ahya se di hu adanse say omo camera no krom di twa picture na ntimi capture say there's a mobile phone we capture no. Mobile phone eche professional camera I tell you nan wada na me experience bi nam say hey say jeje ahuna ba ku ya ne board ni ekura ni etwa picture kura e de huso sa no. Charlie your friend techno come on 12. Oh, and you say experience a new cam era. To come on camera na ni kura wo no. What you say? Now we know a kura 6.4-inch AMOLED dot notch screen. Yeah, a mount bigger viewing experience. It was 16 megapixel AI max triple camera. Yeah, a mount ultra clear night shot. Into just a way no super wide angle. Macro photography and bokeh effect. A sound of 32 megapixel AI clear selfie. Yeah, no boy multi striking those beautiful selfies effortlessly. And then you can go private and secure with the sleek in-display fingerprint on the Common 12. A sign with AR graffiti feature. Yeah, no boy. And bring out all those beautiful memories to life. Go on and capture every wonderful moment clearer with the brand new Techno Common 12. Now I experience a powerful photography. It's time to unlock a new cam era with the all-new Techno Common 12. They are available in colorful gradient colors for every personality. They are available at our accredited techno shops across the nation. Baby, for more information about Techno Mobile, but also follow Techno Ghana on social media at Techno Mobile GH. Next channel will say Techno and the official handset and tablet sponsor for the English Premier League giants, Manchester City Football Club. I feel you assume 90 and that's some way to you for. So, yes, we are last Wednesday. We could have now, the canina, a 3-7 say, anger can destroy you. A bufu, kokobone, a bit me say, anger can destroy you. And no, and they are shy a few Wednesday. Now, Wednesday, no, the share, and yen kaka, honkakra, na yen kaya when rad the name fenediano. And tattoo, not just the activity. Wednesday, the share and not say anger isn't good no matter how you look at it. When you let anger get the best part of you, it brings out the worst in you. Not just say a buffo and found a coin fast washing also. A de papa. Abufu enya de papa da na se ujeja ho na ma ho kwan ema abufu efa no mu dia ene de be pie fi hu aba no eye de enye nko a ene beba ene nra de e de to aso no say speak when you are angry, and trust me, you make the best speech you ever regret. So be careful with your words. Once they are said, they can only be forgiven and not forgotten. Or say, wabra obu efuno, abufuo brain mu no, wo de kasa. Na eno, ebe makasa be kasa no. Eno ne be asem a wo be ka wo benya nu ho ewo mu pa. Eno ti hwe yie ewo nsem a epie fi wanum eba, especially wabra obu afu mu. Esan say Se san sem nya pie fi wonum na ba bonten wi a. De betimi aya so obesre chopa. No nipa so be gi atum so onya hwe me de achew. Ba se ni wura be free de. Lalai. When ye de ewu awie. Ti betimi adi 1000 years e omu no nipa na kai. Enipa bebre ya meto omo asase so. 18th century, 16th century near there. But omo anu mu asem ene yeguso ka e de make reference. E be a good, e be a bad words ne piefi enipa bi mu anu ba empanifo bi omo wuko. Enso besi ne yeguso eka ekai. Ti saa na eso timi hwe. Wanum kasa yi. Okoka bibia enye. Ade bia ense ne mfata sefem sem bia. Ubetimi apache wo akiri. Ebeka se ajo chopa na tum ba se be free nipa trim se nipa wura free de dabi ebeka so ahoda ene de adi wie ne kra no or say remember that anger doesn't solve anything, it builds nothing, but it can destroy everything. What I say, remember that anger doesn't solve anything, it builds nothing, but it can destroy everything. Or say kindness say abufuo entimi solve problem bia entimi nya de papa bia abufuo kro ye untimi fa nya de bia ma ne nya ye da obi obetro so we ma abufu na keka bi chema na nya de papa bia ne sunsu aso no enye papa da nanso abufuo kro ye aye kan anga yi etimi say ade nyina. Sometimes anka watimi anya botre aye niema bia ne ade otimi se kase de watoto niema afa no anka bibia ye kama, but abufuo kakra bi wanya botre na abufuo kakra bi eba yenti obakohwe na something that you've taken years to build it up na abufuo na says ade ni na abufuo de etimi no. Anger doesn't solve anything, it builds nothing, but it can destroy everything. Mediwesi. Anger can destroy you. I shall say from Wednesday no. And then you dey abawi here. Entieni keke ominua. Practice it. Kakra. Na eyi bibia efim. Frida. Entiti me awie. Ose solve no intwi no menka. Na solve you be kan ntin wotwi mu. Solve. Say ebe bibi anasa Frida emema mtipa area solve CC NCC bibia. Okay, good. Now we did it. Good one day. NCC it will not solve anything. Anyways, yeah, fast that my proud sponsors. Omo boy, my yitie asem I edit to your home for an area in a fee. Yeah, for the account trust. So no, car bank. The patrol car banks. I mean, can trust. They say you don't have to drive out from your neighborhood to the city center to visit your main banking hall. And I say, or bank branch. There be. They say in your neighborhood, ube who car bank agent banking outlet. Oh, when you start signage, you can transact business with car bank. All the other banking you need transactions need now. You can even open a car bank snap account. One make it deposit, one withdraw cash, one transfer funds. You know what I mean? What your bills near so look out for the nearest car bank agent banking channel and I say outlet in your neighborhood. Now in your business. Open more info, visit our website near www.carbank.net. You can also contact us via email and near customer care at carbank.net. Sounds a bit me afraid toll free 0800 500 500. Carbank Agent Banking, your neighborhood bank. As they do, I am from MTN. MTN, Semin Control say MTN Pause and Chill promo. No, this time we are taking you to the beautiful city of Dubai. Now I call Chilika Crack. Wow, yeah. So imagine chilling on the beach with a martini, ATV riding on the desert, skydiving with all of Dubai beneath your feet. What then? I don't experience worth living for. What I say? You can do all these for free. Or MTN Pause and Chill promo no emo. So just keep talking and browsing with your Pause mashup bundles. Now what's me winning an all expense paid trip to Dubai from now till the 30th of November 2019. So just go on and dial *567# to mash up today and build points. With me, that's where we need Bose headset, KFC vouchers, mobile money, 4G devices, shopping vouchers, and extra incredible rewards every month. Send a check, FACO 567, and I use the MTN Pulse app now. Never check your points our building so far. MTN Pulse, just be. Terms and conditions apply. We're there for you everywhere you go.
Cherry Justice.
It's tasty and delicious. I am about the pizza every day and every night. I want about the pizza. It's hot.
For the tastiest pizzas, come to Papa's Pizza. We serve it hot from the oven, just how you want it and anytime you want it. Enjoy quick, tasty pizzas served at the customer's convenience. We deliver and offer in-car services too. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Pizza.
Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
That's right. It is say baby I do say opini kwame do aye krado. Tie kwan bia so no e say timide Paul and Silas etwas we the man. Na fe wi a ya kan na gu. Timane koso anda ya 106.3 Adom FM. Opini. Yeah. Why krado ayen so aye krado.
Ete for yamajo emmakwaba. Ede ba Paul and Silas dwumadie so. Mediane opini kwame do ametaja ba kufie wa blekuma. Paul and Silas entimi ankwa adwen krum ewo kwan a omo befa so se omo betua omo ho aka no omo dadwen hu se ensanom no so emwa won ewo kwan bia so entokwa kakra eba Paul and Silas ntem no ema Silas efa TV eko secret so okwa akoton ema no so obi di adwuma di no sabre kro no mu na Paul nso na mu a opemwa a mo de betua wo mo aka no
Pokia
Opeden wa ha
me say
Paul opeden wa ha pie ko
oh Pokia
pie me pon ma hwe ko
nyabotre animu ya na ka say you like the face a nice face ya na okay
and me kind na aye den ha me kind na o ye den Paul ko
nyabotre satana me ya bofra na me yema de sa bofra
munsho
sisi ano manyini me yema de sa opanyi unu se ma feel so ya na se ehwe si akwa se o kala san ta tozo ye tuntum broni makuma mu de hie ma ho ofedua ade apena
for me de ja
semenhia ye se he odokronkron so ye bia maso mu ahwe wo da mu fia
de ja o pesa pa o
Pokia ananka mesenga wo bia be 5,000 bia
oh no the agenda na nam ye ne sa
na me se me bisa wo what me test HIV test no
test be na aka ho asem no
o sama Canada me say HIV
Paul
and na me ka say o say e dan na
Paul
unua iba ho se utirimu kam kai what in
Paul me pesa ate and na o ye no ha and na ye no oba hasa oba be simo oba hasa oba be simo e chemi mu
Pokia yanto wase
en kan to wasa sem bi anchem enso to wasa be be na minya ha o de mama ti Ati my.
I'm saying no na enye dwuma.
Na ye dwuma.
Na me ko fa ne ba ha te. Why na ko fa sa Paul ne ba ha say why biem. Me mama me ko dem why. Na say me sa ba biem. Me sa ba. Oh no be
On see biem. Why?
Hey. Sorry. Na me ka say udi me.
Bona Silas.
Hey, Silas. Say so wasa ko bro asa be fa wa ha say no dem. Silas.
Baby. I didn't Silas. No. What if
me say. Ewie no mo ho na me hu say we free dem ho wa fa TV no o kokrum. Na wasa ba ya say ya na ma beto so yo. Say wa fia wasa dem.
O ba say ya na order.
Say ya na order ho.
Ma me hwe ni botom he. Bibi ni botom. Silas.
Na de wonu ya da ho no wo hwe ni botom.
E wa hin.
Silas.
Silas. Silas. What go to one na? Akosi say.
Na won kan no condition wa sam no wo je. Show no so. Paul, yes, and what is it? Oh, sorry. Oh.
Paul say asemwa eto Silas efa TV no hono enamfo emienu ewre hoi pa emom du mutiri bomu ekopa pint wa
enti we ni kwase ya twim tintintin bia aka 2 days pe mo be kwakọ peska bebe tu aka no mo da ho na mo bu sade na yemu nti na ho na anom nsa ede asi ne bra no da so bi se menya problem ti no ene me boa na me dey solve problem no what be da
Na be no problem na show.
na show
of adwendwe no
adwendwen sasai na ne se me kra na se yesi pito na mono mo ya mo bo sa wa e kra na se o pese o bo pa oh bi abosumi num nsia nso e ko mo je ho
ye to bosumi nso dia
Ova na bi wo ho. Ense be mama bum yi ananse de.
ne bi o ogre nyasa me kire ho na no ni da bi o na wo me ya o ma bobo deda
Me menya oyesa oni mi benya asem. He Paul Silas mama mi tumfo bi ensa aye mrantie bebre ahwe ase
eno de obetumi aka
lady subanie
se na me
ensa no hwe me wa fa kwapia anu otimbem ensa ne sei no na chiba anu wo sisi mpata e wo bompata wono nso saa ensa ene sei no
oh na ne won ka ayi wo fa konimo sehwe abrantia no ono say no city afi ensa na matiafi ebugu ne so ogre busuam tiafi ebuagu bi enye sa na meka me kire adiem
amu kan sa ne ofa ne se ne me sure se me ne bia me ne matena ntina yenso ye de ntia ha ensa ne bekuyan
emotiri so wate emotiri so
se bia ofa
ye ke nyenya nu
ne hia sa
ye hia ne se munyan sanom
aka
na mienu
mon peska no na mo fentua
ofa ne sa na ye ne mennya
oh gre ye nya botre na de bi o ya na ya
Silas ayanko femu chichwa se bona
kata be no na be she ya pun na nu abona na water be wo ba be she ya abona da bi onye water bill obi ne nsan no da atwo teacher Thomas
aye de basem
oh onye asem bia mo boto do bi atwo kata da be she ya abona no na so I want you to move to me kind na me sen kam de bra
wo say bag say me kon ho a me pff
me hu
into where are they bring me will be wasting my time myself I was go school we need degree unim school point on bra obre
in school man continue the magic ticket aba
obi man come out baby myself me call John me here ho ti yeah 2 days why mesaba
Yo, Mate, safe journey, why?
hey baby
Yes, Silas.
obi a sure dem ka tell da ba she ya abo na no de menyim mhado mentum nkan na nka Mr. Teacher Thomas nkan ma agene no ho gumo
mama he hey ensano nso nyefe brofo no so dear sir madam application for coffin funeral I cannot pay my money so I crucify myself nobody kills yours faithfully your humble son Paul Silas where suicidal note oh
Hana
ipo kwana person okuno ho
Hana no okuno ha mabwa
Paul
so lukuno ho
Silas ade we yemfa nya grow Silas yemfa nya grow wate o wa hefa
menyim be mo wo mboto da
ready Paul dey no ye Paul no be ready mo so mi mo Paul kuno ho Paul ready
so ni mo no menyim na sa go na di
so ni mo Silas
na da ho ma se wo kwa da men hey Paul
ampa no kre me frame a na ye me a na me frame me ne me yire ogri ene me wo fase ene na damfo Silas em say manitua ka bi bai e ma me frame ne mu hia se mo mre em say bra ye de mo no aso na sabiota frache pani a otena fie maseduafo no na je se wonye pani pa
kra na nyansa ba kura ni tirim na pani kura no
na enti me frame a esa me de tumo anim se madan o ma ebi ma nane nso aso ne enti no ne be ne de eniema mienu se mo am be firi mu pemu de eka na ache wom anye san so de a ye mo na kakra san mfenka ho na omom peska ne mra nti madaroma me ma mente ne mo ma adwinchira mo kan ho
eja ni kam na bar mushu
wo house no makatro se fia me mente sa se house sa de na akan
kafra me jamba jaya mo because so my papa and I so many into me jaya mo
I just carry one ate
nti eka o mu di obia wo de ache wom
me de ache wom nyehe
ache wa chi paka ho
mo baby ne yabusa baby kasa na mintie
ya kwaye de mensu me jaya mo sa nyehe
wo so de ache wom
me de ache wom nyehe me de ache wom
baby nyame shira wate
amen
nyame shira
amen ogre me da se
adepa ukun ne he nkroma minim se bia mo so susu bibi ho ana se
ava on ya muno
no na nukuru wanyi hwe ya beda ya ajun bibi
ne po asema mo ka no
adepa me ba na se o yi ka sa wo yare AC no ono aduane be
eja
eno wo betua ene de mo betua pa
obetua pa
me nya ko na ma mintie me ko me ba hello
eja be ko
ye mpacho hwan ni
eja be ko teacher Thomas ni o
oh teacher me ni you kra fiefo na hie o na uni ha adai
me tu kwan kakra
you nti ye guso aye bobo eniama so e ka no ho asem na
very good no kwan ntina me frɛ
okay
2 days no aso ntina me susu say by now de o machia na ntina na me busa no machia na
omu ntua e no ka na me de ato omo anim no say so omo de be che omo ana say obi pese o de che omo ana say
ma me bo me number ma me de o so mo send me de na me
number be
bien to me nwene emfa basafa ba kompo emtua ne tenten so se kire so pa so se den akra enye wadwen se wo be hye ho akomfo ana se wa wo beje wo nkwa e de firi wo nsam ye nyina nso ye mo ye ho moden se ye be boa ye ho kakra oyonko ho kwa ho kire mu a aya sonu obia na obia nim dwonkukura ade be so medede opani kwa miedu eja ba ku fie na mete e wa abrekuma na wotwe ebisimu no ye beto aso
okay
na ya say din komo medamase
yes you da pa yo bye bye
anyway
when you come here do no
anyway
oh yeah guy
anyway
oh yeah super
oh yeah na anyway
die be hwe ni ahwe na ya hwe isan se ya hwe ni ahwe anhwa anhwe ya na ntimi ahwe die ezi timi hwe ni hwe se be bitimi ahwe
wasem ye mofo
Tasa waton me site ho nyina a start papa ye woto tile fix cement ya anka ho nyina ma me pese me service kakra so de project nso ene total fix cement papa ne bo nso wo fom se wo de totals ya afebo bag ba ko 50 kilograms ai